Yes, so good morning, everybody, once again. Please give me the feedback of your interview which you faced yesterday. Yes, Nitish Kumar.
Ma'am, today is my exam at 1 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay. You did not face the interview.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Still, I am waiting for exam, ma'am.
You're still waiting for your exam. Okay. Yes, Vinayak, over to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, give me your feedback.
Ma'am, it was good, ma'am. I was asked the HR questions like, tell me about yourself. Are you willing to relocate yourself? Then the strength which I have mentioned, he stated that where you have shown that strength, whatever the strengths which I have mentioned.
Okay. They will ask you,
I
yeah,
was asked.
give an example of when you used it. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Then he asked that whether you have done any project.
In
So
teamwork.
these type of
Yeah. Project means handling a project. You cannot handle a project alone. In a project, there has
yes,
always got to be a team, right?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
These type of questions I was asked, ma'am.
So, how satisfied are you with your?
I am satisfied, ma'am. The way I answered the questions, I am satisfied with myself. Yes, there is always a scope of improvement, ma'am, because no one is 100% perfect. I think in that philosophy. So there is always a scope of improvement, ma'am. I could have had done or more better. What I have said, I could have had done or more in a more better way. But yes, I am satisfied, ma'am.
Yeah, you're satisfied. It means, yeah, yeah. People who have done their homework and classwork thoroughly, they have nothing to fear. And I told you, you just be very comfortable. It will seem like you're talking to you're somebody in the class, or you're making a presentation. And there has been so much of presentations and YouTube recordings. So all this certainly would have helped you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then in
So,
the last, he also asked that, do you have any question for me?
yeah.
So I said no, sir.
Yeah.
Politely denied it.
Yeah, you could have asked. If you have any question for me, अगर कोई पूछता है, HR पूछता है, तो आप of course जरूर बोलेंगे कि yes, like how can I be instrumental in your company? And since I'm a fresher, so what will be my scope in your company? And will I be given the time and space I require to better myself? क्या मुझे मौका मिलेगा, क्या मुझे टाइम मिलेगा अपने को इम्प्रूव करने का? How much support should I expect from the management? ये सब क्वेश्चन पूछने चाहिए, तो तब लगेगा ना कि हाँ बच्चा really, the person is really interested to work in our company. Yes, Satish Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
मैम फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे से सवाल किया गया कि इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
पहले आप सबसे पहली बात तो है आप अपना कम से कम शक्ल दिखाइए, कैमरा ऑन कीजिए।
मैम मैं मार्केट में हूँ।
फिर भी आप दिखाओ, चलो बताओ क्या हुआ। Tell me, give the feedback. Your feedback will be helping somebody who is going to face the interview. Yeah.
मैम फर्स्ट टाइम टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ एंड उसके बाद फिर पूछा गया कि टेल मी अबाउट मैट्रिकुलेशन इंटरमीडिएट एंड ग्रेजुएशन परसेंटेज।
Yes. They will also ask you early education.
उसके बाद
yeah.
फिर उसके बाद पूछा गया टेल मी टेक्नोलॉजी। उसके बाद फिर पूछा गया कि टेल मी अबाउट हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ लूप्स। उसके बाद पूछा कि इक्वल एंड डबल इक्वल में क्या क्या है। फिर व्हाट इज पॉइंटर।
What is pointer? What is array?
पॉइंटर वर्क क्या करता है, उसके बाद फिर पूछा गया कि डू यू इंटरनेट के बारे में पूछा गया, फिर उसके बाद डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ इंटरनेट, डू हैव यू एनी बैकलॉग, डू यू हैव एनी प्रोजेक्ट। बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन,
डू यू हैव एनी बैकलॉग का क्या
These
आंसर
all
किया
are
बताइए?
very easy question, ma'am.
हाँ,
बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन पूछा।
These all are very easy question.
they are all are not easy question. These questions were discussed in the class. Backlogs क्या है, this क्या है, that क्या है, early education क्या है. तो अगर वो क्वेश्चन पूछता है तो you should be ready for the answer. तो
Also
Yes,
technical, ma'am.
हाँ, टेक्निकल तो आपको जो बताया कि मुतालिक whatever you studied, so that is also very important.
Yes.
So
और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं पूछा गया कि एनी आर यू कंफर्टेबल एनी
in relocating. Hello.
इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ हम बोलते हैं, उसी तरह से क्वेश्चन जवाब करते हैं, एचआर हो जाती है।
तो कैसा लगा when you were facing the interview? Did you feel nervous? और बिल्कुल लगा ये कॉमन टाइप चीज है, नॉर्मल चीज है जो कि डेली करते हैं हम लोग? ऐसा लगा क्या कि this is nothing new?
Yes, ma'am.
and this is what we have been listening for the last I think 2-3 months, isn't it? Okay, anybody else जिसका भी इंटरव्यू हुआ है, प्लीज गिव योर फीडबैक. Yes, Mukesh.
Introduce yourself.
Hmm.
And my second question, in which technical language you want to prefer? So I said that
Mhm.
I replied in that C plus. I replied in that then C, I from my answer I is satisfied from my answer. And just that are you willing to relocate? Bola, yes, of course, sir. So bola, thank you.
Okay, so
मैं भी बोला सर thank you.
mhm.
Hello?
So how did you feel while giving the interview?
Ma'am, local, because we are habituated since 2 months. That's why.
These questions were drilling round and round and round. So it was another session like yeah, that is what
Um,
that is why I say class is
before
really
the
important.
interview,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Very tense. What was the question? What was asking for us? The questions about. But when they started,
Yes, Mukesh.
yes, ma'am. Like a not going.
Do you want to give any suggestion to people who are waiting for the interview?
Only work on the basic concept of every languages. If there are any questions from technical skill, only prepare with the basic questions of that languages.
Hmm.
And
Technically-
the most important thing is being confident.
That's it.
They are actually
how your
you
communication. Mainly want to know about.
Mainly the checking is for communication.
At
Because
last time we are going to work in the corporate sector, so communication
is very important. And it is very
essential.
important because in Chennai, because nobody will speak Hindi. So what you need to do, you need to understand others, and others need to understand you also. Are you speaking in a way, in an accent where it is understandable? So Simaj is going to give you this platform and has been given this platform. And umpteen times, so many times I've told you, make an environment. The students can do it in the classroom. The first thing is that you have to attend your classes. You have to keep in a learning mode and a speaking mode. And if you choose the English language, nothing is going to be as difficult as it seems to many people. First of all, you need to attend offline classes. If you do not attend offline classes, you will feel left out. Because here in a group, you can indulge in GDs, in debates, in discussions, and which cannot happen even if you are attending the online classes. There's a see difference. I see now, right now, there are 25 students in the class, and just 2 students are with their cameras on. Now, how frustrating this is. We cannot help people who do not want to help themselves. We can only help people who are in the learning mode. The first thing is discipline. When I told you to keep your cameras on, now each student, you make your own agenda. You will not keep your cameras on. You will do as you wish. You cannot have everything. You cannot have the cake and you cannot eat it too. This is really very frustrating. So probably today is an exam, isn't it? आज exam है.
No, ma'am. Actually, today Android app development exam is being scheduled.
हाँ, कोई exam आज है ना. So you all off to college? हाँ, आज exam देना है ना. Okay. Anything else you want to ask?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, how do we use prepositions correctly, ma'am?
Prepositions are a major funda. At, in, on. How can you use at, in, on for place, at, in, on for time?
Ma'am, but there is not a hard and fast rule for using that. Like from where I can understand, it depends upon the type of sentences also
No,
where we
no,
are
no, no.
using these.
There's completely hard and fast rules.
Okay.
Prepositions like at, on, in, like in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, but at night. अब तुम बोलोगे ये रूल कैसा है? अब टाइम स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हैं in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but why at night? बस ऐसा ही है. Prepositions have got to be studied. और ग्रामर में सबसे जो डिफिकल्ट, जो सबसे ट्रिकी जो है, that is preposition.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
And prepositions थोड़ी सी चीज है, रॉन्ग लग जाता है तो आपकी पूरी सेंटेंस खराब कर देता है.
हम जैसे हमको बोलना होगा मैं समस्तीपुर से हूँ और उदयपुर से हूँ, समस्तीपुर में उदयपुर से हूँ, तो बोल सकते हैं आई एम फ्रॉम समस्तीपुर एट उदयपुर.
आई एम फ्रॉम समस्तीपुर सिंपली.
नो, जैसे समस्तीपुर में उदयपुर से हूँ, समस्तीपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, उसमें एक उदयपुर गांव उससे हूँ, तो मैम उसको ऐसे बोल सकते थे. मतलब
आपका जो होम टाउन है वही बोलिए ना. जैसे हम बोलते हैं आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार, माय होम टाउन इज पटना, बोलते हैं ना.
यस. आपका एक क्वेश्चन सबसे लगभग पूछा ही गया होगा, वो रिलोकेशन वाला.
कौन सा?
रिलोकेटिंग वाला मैम.
पहली बार बताया था तुम लोग समझे नहीं थे कि मैं मतलब क्या हुआ. है ना. So that is why classroom.
और मैम वो बहुत कम हुआ.
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो?
For time.
Yes, somebody was asking anything. Yes, ask.
Ma'am, if you have some contents related to preposition, please share with me, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, I will share.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I'm just. Yep, I'm waiting for your questions.
ma'am,
What
the
are you-
way we start our interview, I think it sets the tone for the whole interview.
Yeah. The way you start, your very look shows that you're whether you're confident or not. Confidence in something which it shows directly. Like I told you when I was giving you the interview workshop, the first thing that they will see is your face. It shows you whether you are nervous or whether you're comfortable or whether you're confident or not. Everything is there. So the deciding point is there only.
The gesture, the way you talk also.
Gestures, expressions, your body language, is it matching your words? Your words should match your body language. Body language should be same. It's not that if you're looking very confident or your body language is not supporting you. No matter how you want to show that you are confident, but your body language tells a different story. जो बोल रहे हो, your body language should be matching it, no? अब चेहरे पे टेंशन है, बोल रहा I'm extremely delighted to be in front of you. Right? Keep smiling posture, a comfortable posture. Prepositions work out करना है. Prepositions का कोई फिर there is no ifs and buts about prepositions. I will show you something. The first thing you have to understand what is preposition of place, at, in, on, and at, in, on, in place, at, in, on, in time also. So when you're talking about at, which is at a point, at the door, at the crossroad, at the traffic. So at a particular point. अब at में क्या क्या लगा सकते हैं? एक point तो है, he is standing at the door. He is standing at the crossroad. He is standing at the traffic light.
Ma'am, we use at with definite point of places.
Definite point, yeah. ठीक है. I live in Patna at Kankarabagh. So in for a larger and at for a
smaller one.
Yeah.
Where point of reference is fixed. And
yes, I live in Patna.
At is also for time.
Yes, today we are
Point
doing
of
at. Please meet me at 9.
And ma'am, in is used with larger point of reference.
Yes. Simply the statement is I live in Patna at Kankarabagh.
Yes,
क्या
sir.
large है? पटना large है and in large है और at Kankan Park. Point of time. At also can be used for place, top, bottom, end of. At the top of the at the top of the stairs. वो कहाँ खड़ा है? At the top of the stairs. At the bottom of the page. He's lying at the bottom of the page. In the bottom, nahi, at the bottom. At the end of the street. And for group activities, he is at the party. He is at a concert. He is at the cinema. So these are the rules which are defined.
ठेकुवा खैले भने तू हो देख लिए तो तोर कहीं छौ मत मारे लगा
So if you are in group activities, he's at a party, he's at a concert, he's at the cinema, school, university, and he's at school, he's at the university, at home, at work, shops, at the bakery, at the cafe, at the chemist, at the mall. So do you see the categories? And in a 3D space, in the bag. I left my keys in the bag, in the classroom, in a box. Territory, in London, in Europe, in the Alps, in the world. When you talk about cars or vans, he's sitting in the car, he's sitting in the van. Water, in the sea, in a river, in a lake, in the swimming pool. Printed material, in a book, in a picture, in the newspaper. So categories are defined, Vinayak. Right? On surface, on the table, on the carpet, on the roof, on the sofa, on the first floor, on the fifth floor, on the second floor. You will meet him on the right corner, on the left corner, on the right, on the left. On the right, you will see a bakery shop. On the left, there's a chemist shop. Public transport, on the bus, on the train, on a plane. अब public transport देख लीजिए आप in the car, देखिए in the car, on a van, but on the bus, on train, on the plane. Do you see the differences? ये rule है विनायक, you cannot change this. Media, on the radio, on TV, on the internet, on a website. The category is already shown, and on the basis of these categories, you can make your own sentences. You can use the prepositions accordingly. Now, similar at and on can be used for time. At night, at the 11th hour, at 8, at 7, at 6. Yeah, Vinayak. In the morning. Yes. Yes, Vinayak.
According to what the sentence will be, and then I have to use the preposition according to that.
Yeah, but this is a rule which has to be taken care of. Prepositions of a place, preposition of time, the miscellaneous prepositions,
Is
phrasal verbs, prepositional
used
phrases.
on rule.
Yes, what? Hello?
मैम सभी पोजीशन का यूज मैम रूल के हिसाब से होता है, ना कि सेंटेंस के हिसाब से, ये बोल रहा।
रूल के
सबके
हिसाब
यूजेस के लिए रूल निर्धारित।
ये रूल सामने दिख रहा है
Yes,
ना, ये रूल है ना, at a point, at top bottom, group activities, school university, homework, shops, malls, whatever. Categories already given. On the basis of these categories, these are the rules.
कैटेगरी
अब आप देखो ना, कार वैन के लिए इन है, he's sitting in the car, he's sitting in the van. But public transport के लिए क्या होगा? On the bus, on the train, on a. You understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to take these rules into account and do likewise. You can also say he has already boarded the train. अगर आप preposition नहीं use करना चाह रहे हैं, he has boarded the train, he has boarded the plane, but preposition use करना है, he is on the train, on the plane, on the bus, public transport. ध्यान रखिएगा, public transport होगा तो on लग जाता है, otherwise he's in the car, he's in the van. And motorbike में क्या होगा?
Yeah.
क्या होगा?
ऑन
On होगा मैम.
On होगा.
ऑन होगा मैम।
हाँ, on होगा.
Is on. मैम हिंदी मीनिंग के आधार पे भी जज कर सकते हैं क्या? लाइक
नहीं 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 नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Do not translate. यही पर होता है blue पर major problems.
just like मैम on conveys ऊपर, so he is on the bike.
Okay, I'm going to send this to you. Like
Yes,
you
ma'am,
use
please.
in for spaces, in for names of specific land areas. She lives in a quiet town, right? In for bodies of water. That kind of fish thrives in fresh water. इसको हम एक नोट बना के भेज देंगे आप लोगों को. So there you see. At the top, at someone's house, at the hairdresser, at the doctor. You need to understand this and you need to read this out and work on it. Make sentences according to the rules given. Well, that's it for today. I'm going to share this with you in your group so that you can
Okay.
further your knowledge. That's it for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.